Okay, go.
Hi guys, welcome to my video. So, I'm Mia and today we're gonna unbox a vacuum cleaner. Nabali.
Bali.
So,
This is
this is Bigbrute. So, today we're gonna huh?
portable vacuum cleaner siya. 600 watts.
Okay. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the adapter. Oh, malimot jud ko aning adapter.
Tingnan, next na lang.
Keep trying. This is the handle. Oh my gosh. And what does this mean?
Suction.
This suction, cup suction. Okay.
Wala to na.
Wala siya.
So this is the
Suction para sa floor.
Floor suction. Inga.
floor section.
Ganahan, may nga shun-shun.
Ayan, wala siyang unit.
This is the unit. This is the unit.
That is the unit, guys.
This is nagigunita.
And oh my god,
Manual.
this is the manual. No more inside. So today I'm gonna teach you how to install the vacuum cleaner. First, let's get the handle.
Kasi if mag vacuum ka sa floor.
Yes.
You use this
So,
when you vacuum the floor. Hindi na.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, we got it. And next is the
Suction. Floor suction.
floor suction. I'm bad at. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. There we go. So put it inside in here.
Then flip. Then flip na rin.
And
Okay na?
okay.
Sige.
Okay.
Flip na rin.
Sige. Tindog. Stand.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's slippery.
Na.
Yan. It's kind of tall.
Then,
Para mo na siya sa floor. Sample like that. Excuse me. Ana mo na siya na
There we go.
like that. Ana mo na siya. Na vacuum ka na. Okay.
This is the switcher.
Switch on.
Switch on.
We're gonna
and
try
off.
that one na lang on niya. Sige. I-uninstall sa siya. I-uninstall. Kaya ito lang ibutan siya. Handheld na lang siya. For car. O mag-car lang ka. Or sa kuan. Pwede kuwaon na lang handle. So no need na ang handle. So mag-switch ka sa suction cap para sa car.
use the suction cup, Mia. When you use the suction suction cup
Kana.
for the car.
Kana sa car o sa kanang mga mats. So dili na kailan kag handle kay kailan mo yung kag hand raman ka.
Is
Okay.
this okay? Like that?
Yeah, that's okay. Ato i-try ta tong usa. Kani siya.
Okay.
Huwag ang filter na po.
So guys, we're trying to vacuum the coins, stones, and seeds.
So we're gonna vacuum the seeds first, then the stones, then the coins. So first we will gonna plug it.
Can we use this?
No, we already have in there.
Okay. I need to put it right here. It's off. Okay.
Oh, niya, isa kadali.
Yeah.
Go.
So, okay guys, it's on now. I can shock it. So, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. There,
So seeds is very easy.
well, someone is stuck here.
Okay. So next is the
Stone. Are you sure it will fit in here?
I don't know.
Well, it's stuck.
Okay.
It's stuck.
No, it's okay. It is vacuum. Then next is the
The
stones are there.
Yep, there you are.
So next is the
Coins. Not yet.
can it do coins?
Well, he fit them all.
That's all. There's the.
There is
So
it.
I guess it works. The coins.
So I guess I have to take this tape.
No, first is switch off.
Oh yeah.
Safety first. No, not like that. Push.
There's a cotton.
That's
The
the
fertilizer.
say it like that.
Yup.
That's filter. Filter.
Filter. So it's more like a shake.
So it can. It's very strong.
It's kinda smelly good. And it's not hot. Oh, be careful. So right guys. And it's working, so we're gonna put it back. Okay. Bye guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. So please subscribe and like the video.
For more
Please.
items.
Yes, for more items.
Okay. Take it. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.